Have you ever wondered what those white lines down the middle of the road really mean? Let's break it down with Dashcam Dynamo. Broken white lines. This marks the centre of the road. You can cross it if the way is clear, but if the lines get longer and the gaps get shorter, it's warning you of a hazard ahead. Only cross if absolutely necessary. Solid white lines. Here's the strict one. You must not cross or straddle a solid white line, unless you are entering a side road, premises, or passing a stationary vehicle. The only other exemption, overtaking something crawling at 10 miles an hour or slower, like a cyclist or a horse or a road maintenance vehicle. If the line nearest you is broken, you can cross to overtake, but you must finish the manoeuvre before hitting a solid section. If the line nearest you is solid, the same strict rules apply. Don't cross unless it's one of those limited exemptions. The directional arrows, the big arrows you'll see just before double white lines, are there to tell you to move over in time.